Hi everyone. So thank you for being here. So if you're watching this, it means you're interested in working from home and becoming an ESL teacher. So today I'm going to show you the real process, not just a motivation, but the exact system. So today I'm going to discuss how to land your first ESL job in just 30 days. So even without experience. Okay, so let's start. All right. So first off, of course, you need to learn who we are, right? Of course, hindi naman kayo basta-basta magtitiwala. Tama? So I'm going to introduce who we are. So first, the business name is JMG WFH Facility and Virtual Assistance Services. So we founded June 2020. So that's already almost 6 years in June this year. Okay. And we helped over 1,300 ESL teachers worldwide already. And we are BIR and DTI registered. So as you can see, nandito yung aming DTI and yung BIR. You can also verify us sa kanilang website. So just to see it yourself. Okay? So of course, we started it from scratch, build the system, and now we train others. So my name is Mary Grace. Of course, I'm the founder of JMG. So I started being an ESL 2018. Yeah. So after that, I decided to create this system. Kasi before, wala pang ganito. So self-study talaga yung ginawa ko. And it's not easy, most especially kung mag-isa ka lang. So that's when I realized na ano kaya kung merong support system na magte-train sa akin. Siguro mas madali. So that's why JMJ exists. So again, hindi ako nagsimula na expert ako agad. So I started confused, rejected, na-rejected ako before, and unsure. But yun nga, I created the system and that's what I'll show you today. So what made you watch this? Diba? Of course, maybe you want to work from home. Sino bang may ayaw ng work from home, 'di ba? Lalong-lalo na sa mga introvert like me. Kasi gusto natin yung nasa bahay lang, hindi lumalabas. 'Di ba? Mas okay yung work from home eh, kaysa araw-araw kang gigising ng maaga. Magpre-prepare like 2 hours preparation bago ka makaalis ng house, 'di ba? Or maybe you're tired of commuting. Kasi ang haba-haba ng pila sa jeep, ang haba-haba ng pila sa LRT, 'di ba? Na sobrang nakakapagod mag-commute. Kaya gusto na lang natin sa bahay. Or maybe you need an extra income. So, syempre, sabi nga nila, hindi sapat na isa lang yung source of income mo. Mas okay na meron kang extra income. Pandagdag, di ba? Pandagdag sa ipon, pandagdag sa pambili ng kung ano-ano. So, yon. And maybe you want a flexible schedule. Maybe you're a student na kailangan mo ng extra allowance, kaya naghahanap ka ng work na flexible ang schedule na mag-fit sa schedule mo. Right? So, these are the reasons na nakikita ko kung bakit nanonood ka ngayon. And you're in the right place. So, bakit ESL? Kasi ESL, unang-una, it will give you the privilege to work from home. No need for big capital kasi hindi mo naman kailangan kumuha ng BIR, hindi mo kumuha ng kung ano-anong, kailangan kumuha ng kung ano-anong requirements na hinihingi. 'Di ba? Siyempre, kailangan mo ng computer. Kung meron kang computer at kung meron kayong internet, goods na yun. Kung meron kang headset, of course, kailangan mo rin yun. So, ayun. It also offers flexible schedule. So, yung mga naghahanap ng flexible schedule dyan, this is for you. So, no more angry boss. Ayan. Pag na-late ka, hindi ka mag-alala habang nasa biyahe ka na, naku, yung boss ko magagalit na. Right? Kasi dito, wala kang boss. Sarili mo ang boss mo. So, pag tinamad ka, hindi ka mag-work, okay lang, walang magagalit. Yun nga lang, wala ka rin kikitain. Okay? And of course, pwede to sa students, sa moms or dads, and sa mga gustong mag-shift ng mga career nila. Okay? Let me be honest, hindi siya easy money. Kailangan meron kang tamang preparation para makapasok or makapasa ka as an ESL teacher. Okay? And the big problem is, bakit ba nag-fail ang karamihan sa mga applicants? Kasi wala silang proper demo preparation. Kumbaga, nag-apply lang sila, sabak sa demo, without knowing ano ba yung kakaharapin nila sa demo. And yung iba walang system. Wala silang sinusunod ng system para makapag-apply. Kumbaga, sugod lang ng sugod. And walang support system. Ang swerte ko na lang talaga, nung 2018, hindi pa ganun kahigpit ang demo nila. But ngayon, as in, mahigpit na talaga. Kaya kung wala kang support system, mahihirapan kang makapasa. So, maraming gustong mag-ESL, pero ayun, konti lang yung nakaka-hire. Not because hindi sila magaling, but because they don't know the system. So, maraming lumalapit sa akin, sa amin na exam pa lang daw, bumagsak na raw sila. That's because, yun nga, wala silang support system. Pero kung may support system sila, I'm sure yung exam na yun, maipapasa nila. Kasi may tutulong sa kanila. Right? Okay. So, ano ba yung process kapag nag-apply ka na sa ESL? So, unang-una yun nga, kailangan mong mag-take ng exam. And, of course, meron din yung speaking test. Tech check, kasi i-check nila yung internet mo and yung device. And after nun, dun ka palang magde-demo. And after ng demo mo, kapag pumasa ka na, syempre meron pa ring first lesson. Diba? I remember nung nag-start ako, hindi ako nag-start agad kasi after kong makapasa siguro 1 week pa. Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari sa akin kapag nag-take ako ng first lesson ko. So unlike kapag meron kang support system, alam mo kung ano yung kailangan mong paghandaan. Makakapag-train ka. So dito sa buong hiring process, demo is where most applicants fail. Hindi sapat yung marunong ka lang mag-English. You must know how to teach, explain things na maiintindihan ng student mo. Lalong-lalo na kung bata sila. Okay? So, who is this for? Para kanino ba yung pagiging ESL? I mean, this program. Para sa mga beginners. Kung beginner ka, you're in the right place. Kung career shifter ka, yes. Stay-at-home mom or dad na gusto mong magkaroon ng kita habang nasa bahay, of course. Students na nangangailangan ng additional allowance. And for OFWs na nagpaplano ng umuwi. So yes, everyone is welcome. Kasi wala namang pinipili ang pagiging ESL teacher. Okay? So, syempre kailangan alam mo kung magkano kikitain mo sa pagiging ESL teacher, di ba? So, ang income expectation natin is kikita ka ng 57 for sudden lessons and kikita ka rin ng 80 pesos for book lessons. Tumatagal yan ng 25 minutes. So, ang pwede mong kitain dyan is 1K to 120K monthly. Yes, 1K. kung hindi ka magtatrabaho. But of course, kung gagalingan mo at sisipagan mo, yes, possible, kumita ka ng 120K monthly. Hindi yan theory, nangyayari yan. Dahil may mga kilala akong teachers na kumikita ng 60K per cut-off. And that's 120K monthly. Okay? So, yes. So, ano bang kailangan mo talaga para makapasa ka sa pagiging ESL teacher? So, of course, kailangan mo ng guidance. Yes, yan ang pinaka-importante. Kailangan mo ng guidance. Kailangan mo ng demo script framework kasi karamihan dyan bumabagsak. So, kung meron kang framework na susundin mo, mas madali kang makakapasa. Next, application strategy. Kailangan, syempre, may strategy ka para makapasa ka, di ba? And of course, textbook training. Para malaman mo kung paano mo talaga ituturo ang isang textbook, kailangan mo ng training. Right? And that's exactly what we do. That's exactly the system that we created for you. For people na kailangan ng training, for people na kailangan ng guidance, for people na kailangan ng support system. So if you're someone na feeling mo sobrang galing mo na sa English, if you're someone na very fluent na sa English, you can close the window now kasi you don't need us anymore. But if you're someone na even very fluent na, but feeling mo kailangan mo ng support system, then welcome ka pa rin dito. Kasi we have a lot of fluent individuals na kahit fluent na sila, nag-enroll pa rin sila. Kasi feeling nila kailangan nila ng support system or community to support each other. Yeah. So again, kailangan mo i-position yung sarili mo. Of course, this is where we come in. Ginawa namin yung system na to for you. And this is exactly, yun nga, kung bakit namin binuo yung system na to. So, our ESL job placement training program, ano ba yung mga makukuha mo? Exam sheet, kaya may ipapasa mo na yung exam nila. Actual demo script, kung ano yung mismong ide-demo mo, aaralin natin yan. Mock demo practice, hindi ka pwedeng mag-demo hanggat hindi mo na ipapasa yung mock demo practice natin. Unlimited practice yan, hanggang makita namin na ready ka na. And application guidance, of course. Kailangan nyo yan. So, support system, even habang nagde-demo ka, kasama mo kami from start to finish. It also includes live and recorded training kung paano ka makakapasa sa demo mo confidently. And hands-on training hanggang sa maging ready ka na mag-demo. And this one is very important, free Forex training kapag fully paid ka na. Yes, Forex training, you heard it right. Yung nakikita mong mga Forex training outside na nag-offer ng 100,000 enrollment fee, 50,000 enrollment fee, dito libre mo lang siyang makukuha basta fully paid ka na. So, magkano nga ba? Okay? But before that, I just want to, of course, clarify. Because we saw how many people struggle. We created a structured training program. So, inside our system, ito yung mga bagay na makukuha nyo step by step. We don't just give videos, we help you. We will help you with everything that you need para makapasa ka. Hindi ka manghuhula, hindi ka nadadaan sa trial and error. Ipa-follow mo na yung clear system na ginawa namin just to help you pass. And that's the difference. You will save a lot of time kasi yung 6 na taon na ginugol namin for this business, yun na yung pinaka-exact system na kailangan mong gawin para makapasa. Trial and error na yung ginawa namin dito. And palagi namin tong ini-improve just for people like you. So again, we are not selling hope. We are providing preparation. And those preparations are the things you need para makaland ka ng job as an ESL teacher. Okay? So, magkano ba? Ayan. So, again, because of this step-by-step guide or step-by-step system, marami na kaming taong natulungan na ngayon kumikita na sila. Lifetime yan. Lifetime opportunity yan. Kasi anytime na gusto mong magturo, kikita ka na agad by the next cut-off. Diba? Okay. So, katulad nito. Ayan. This are samples ng mga dashboard na kinikita ng ibang teachers. So, mababa pa to. Actually, middle. Kasi iba merong 60K. But may makikita rin kayong 1K lang. Kasi nga, sila yung mga hindi nagturo. Maybe naging busy, nagbakasyon, something like that. So, marami pa kayong makikitang ganito inside. And, meron din naman tayong Facebook page. Let me give that to you. So, sa Facebook page namin, this one. So, you can see a lot of reviews already. So, these are the people na natulungan na naming makapasa. So, reviewin nyo na lang. Follow our Facebook page. Ayan, basahin nyo na lang siya isa-isa. Hindi ko na siya mapoprovide sa inyo dito kasi masyadong tatagal yung orientation na to. So, kayo na lang ang bahalang magbasa. Okay? So, yeah. Let's go to the next one. Okay, magkano ba? So, you're going to pay 15,000 pesos for 6 months installment. Again, installment yan. At hindi mo yan agad-agad babayaran. Okay? Babayaran mo lang yan kapag nakapasa ka na. Kapag kumikita ka na. Magsisimula kang magbayad kapag nakuha mo na yung first sahod mo. So, pag hindi ka pumasa, wala kang babayaran. That's the best part. Hindi ka magbabayad kapag hindi ka nakapasa. And of course, kapag nakapasa ka na, lifetime opportunity na yan. And that's the time na magbabayad ka ng 15,000 pesos for 6 months. At habang nagbabayad ka sa amin, continuous pa rin yung training mo. Siyempre, i-guide ka pa rin namin. Ita-train ka namin kung paano mo tuturuan yung mga student mo, kung paano ka makakakuha ng 5 stars. At of course, kung paano ka magkakaroon ng mga regular students. Mga technique na natutunan namin along the way. Okay? And mga additional opportunities. Okay? So, for now, let me ask you something. If nothing changes, where will you be 6 months from now? Still watching? Still planning? Or maybe still saying soon? So the opportunity is already there. ESL companies are hiring daily. The question is not, is it possible? The question is, will you prepare properly? So if you're serious about working from home, if you want structure instead of guessing, if you want guidance instead of confusion, then this is your next step. Just enroll in our training program. So, para makakapag-register, kailangan nyo lang magbayad ng 493 pesos. We will guide you step by step from exam hanggang sa makapagturo ka na. But this only works if you commit. Okay? So if you're ready, here's the training details. Monday to Friday, 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. Ang tinatagal ng training ay 1 to 3 months, but others can finish it within a week lang. Yes. After 1 week of training, activation of accounts, then kumikita na sila. Ganun lang kadali. And, paano ka ba magpo-proceed? You just need to secure your slot. Ayun nga. Go back to the person who gave you this video. Tell that person you wanted to proceed. And if you have questions, ask mo lang siya. And ask her to add you sa group chat if eager ka na makapag-start ASAP. Remember, messenger only. So, mode of payment natin, ito lang, GCash, 0922, ends with 3015, and Union Bank. Wala nang ibang MOPs. Ingat-ingat, baka scam yan. Okay? So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. And God bless everyone. See you inside.